Puppies. Where's the puppies? Where's the puppies? Where's the puppies? Where's the puppies? There's a puppy. I think that's Red Girl. Puppies? Where's the puppies? That would be Purple. He seems to like killing toys. You can see they're not much bothered by things under their feet, and that's why there's so much stuff littering the pen right now, is just to get them used to that. Where's the last puppy? Where's the puppy? Where's the puppy? That's orange in the bowl. It's yellow at the door. You can see there's a tippy board in front of the door now, so they get used to feeling things moving under their feet over there too. And I'll change what's in front of that door in another day or so. The barbells are just to hold a door in place temporarily during the day when we're not here. This green doing a little yip. Good girl. Oh no, that's Blue Boy. Good puppies. That would be yellow beating up black. One of the cats knocking something over.